My next guest is one of the superstars of the pop world, Jimi Hendrix.
Hey, brother. Good to see you, man. Good to see you, buddy.
We almost wore the same thing tonight.
Yeah, really.
You guys, so you're considered one of the best guitarists in the world.
Oh, wow, man. You know, maybe the best guitar player sitting in this chair.
Do you consider yourself a disciplined guy? Do you get up every day and work?
I do get up every day. And my work is not really what I consider work. My work is joy and love, communication, which is not work. But I do get up every day. Yeah, sorry. Great question, though.
So Jimmy, are you excited to be playing at the Peace, Love, Music, and Chiropractic Tour at Cal Jam this year?
Oh, man. I mean, Cal Jam is the premier event as far as just getting the world to see the light of day, and I'm honored that I'm playing at Cal Jam this year. It's one of those things that I've always looked up to, and it's going to be a great reunion of the minds and souls and people, not only in chiropractic, but those people that want to really change the world.
All right. When you mentioned that national anthem, you played it in a pretty unorthodox way.
Well, I mean, what do you mean? It was not unorthodox. I personally thought it was beautiful, man. It was really just my love for this country coming from my heart and my soul through my guitar, man. I mean, it was totally beautiful to me.
Don't you find there's a certain beauty in unorthodox?
Of course, brother.
So how do you feel about the counterculture?
I mean, I'm all about counterculture. It's about understanding the status quo and people that want to keep you downtrodden, keep you just not expressing your potential in life. And I'm all about letting that inner spirit out and through my music and through my lyrics to really put the sound of the music to go into the soul of the individual and person.
Don't miss Jimmy at the Peace, Love, Music, and Chiropractic Tour, Cal Jam 2020, February 14th through 16th.
Don't miss it. Peace, love, music, chiropractic.